In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads effectively for your junk removal business following the 2025 guide. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to set up a successful campaign. Firstly, you'll need to visit Google Ads' official website. Once you're there, you'll see an option on the top right corner of the page that says Sign In. Click on this button to proceed. You'll need your Google account credentials for this, so make sure you have those handy. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This will be your central hub for managing your ad campaigns, analyzing data, and making necessary adjustments to optimize performance. It's a good idea to get familiar with this platform as you'll be navigating through it quite a bit. Your next step is to click on the Campaign button. This is where the magic happens. Choosing the right campaign type is crucial for reaching your target audience effectively. After navigating to the campaign section, look for the Create Campaign button and give it a click. By doing this, you're starting the process of crafting an ad campaign that aligns with your business objectives. Now, you will need to select the type of campaign that suits your business needs. For a junk removal business, sales is a suitable option as it aims to drive direct sales and conversions. So, go ahead and click on Sales. This selection will open up a variety of features and tools designed to boost your sales efforts. As you refine your campaign strategy, pay attention to the highlight settings within Google Ads. Highlight allows you to emphasize particular aspects of your campaign, which can attract more attention from your potential customers. Make sure to click on Highlight to explore these options and tailor them to showcase what makes your junk removal business unique. For an even broader reach and improved performance, consider using the Performance Max campaigns. This option uses Google's advanced machine learning to deliver optimized ads for your target audience across Google's entire inventory. By clicking on Performance Max, you can create a campaign that adapts in real time to ensure your ads are seen by people who are most likely to engage. Throughout this process, always keep in mind that the key to a successful Google Ads campaign is continuous monitoring and optimization. Regularly check your campaign's performance metrics and make adjustments as needed to ensure you're getting the most out of your advertising investment. Whether it's tweaking ad copy, adjusting your budget, or honing in on select keywords, the iterative process will help keep your ads relevant and effective. Thanks for joining me today, and best of luck with your campaigns for your junk removal business.